two, welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my student. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, if you are in a good condition. So, student, this morning, Ma'am Ari will continue for the next material, that is project-based learning. Last meeting, we have discussed about problem-based learning, and now we will continue about project-based learning. In a project-based learning, the teacher will provide project so the student can work in a group to promote their collaboration and to promote their critical thinking skill and their independent learning. Project-based learning is different from problem-based learning. So in a project-based learning, the teacher provide the student with a certain project. So the student can solve their project because the process of teaching learning based on the real life condition. When we are teaching English, so one of the project that can be proposed to our student, that is the student are able to create a poster. For example, when we are teaching descriptive text. So in a teaching descriptive text, we provide with a certain question. So what is the most favorite places in your area? For example, a waterfall Sedudo. And then how do you create that waterfall Sedudo can be more popular? There are many kind of activities, there are many kind of features that can be used to promote waterfall Sedudo to be popular. So here in a project-based learning, the teacher provide a project. It means that the teacher asks the student to finish the project that is relevant with the real life condition. So in a project-based learning, there are many stages that must be accomplished by the English teacher. The first one is a giving essential question. So in a giving essential question, the teacher provide many topics or issues, and then the student must pick up one of the topic. And the group of the student must give the reason why do you choose that topic, so it can promote their critical thinking skill. The next is about designing plan or a project. So in a designing plan or a project, the student can know their capability. For example, if they are visual and kinesthetic, maybe they can use the project is about poster and then or a vlog. So it's depend on the student what kind of a project that can be used. And designing the project, every student must participate in a project decision making. And then after that, continue to the collecting data for the project. In collecting the data, the student will collaborate each other. So if they want to finish their poster project, they must know the composition of the poster, what they must prepare if they want to make a poster. So every member of the group has responsibility to accomplish their project. After they collecting the data, and then we will continue for the next stages, that is about creating the project. So in creating the project, the student will work together by to applying their knowledge in collecting the data to finish or to accomplish their project. So if they are satisfied with their project, they will discuss with their friend, and then they can also discuss with the teacher to give some feedback or to get some feedback for each other. So here the teacher role as a facilitator. Next stages is a presenting. So after the group has finished their project, then the group will present their project in front of the class. So the teacher and the student will give some feedback or comment related to their project. And the last is evaluating the project. So evaluating the project, it means that how do the teacher will after they finish their project. So the student will write their expression, their feeling in a reflective learning. So when the teacher implement project-based learning when they are teaching English, the student will enjoyable when they are learning English. They will relax, they will enjoy to express their opinion because they don't feel anxiety or stressful because their friends are helpful and they collaborate each other. So project-based learning is one of the methods that can promote student critical thinking, student independent learning, student motivation, and student collaboration. They can also promote their student communication because after the student finish their project, they can present their work. I think that's enough for today. Thank you. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.